This video we are going to understand working with strings. So string is basically group of characters. Here in the first instruction you can see that we have taken a variable called str and we have given this string value to that which says hello Python. All the strings will be included into the quotation marks. Now here in the next instruction we are saying that print str, that means print this particular string. So let's run it and see how this is working for us. So on the shell, you can see the first instruction with the first output. So this is printing the entire string. In the second one, it says that print str of 0. Now the computer begins its counting with 0. So basically the first character is supposed to be printed. So here you can see that the first character is printed with H. Likewise, the next instruction says that print str from second location till fifth location. That means starting from 0 again. So accordingly, this will be the output that 0, 1, 2 and will print like this. In the next instruction, we are printing the string starting with the second position and we have not given the ending value. So basically it is going to begin with this particular location and it will print the rest of the string as it is. In the next instruction, we are saying that print string multiplied by 2. That means whatever the value is there in that string, it will be printed twice. In the last instruction, we are saying that print this particular string plus, that means concatenated with this particular string. So here you can see the output. The first string is hello Python and the next string that we have concatenated to that is programming. So this is the output for the same.